Welcome back. We all know Botox can help with wrinkles, but you also may know that Botox can help with sweat. But did you know there are some other ways the tox, that's how I call it, can help with some unwanted issues?
Registered nurse Deana Benefield is here to fill us in, no pun intended. Let's start with the neck. Botox, how can it help with the neck?
Yes.
So I like to call this the 3-minute neck lift because Botox actually can lift your neck if you're a good candidate. So the way that it works is as you get older or doing things like working out, singers, people that talk a lot for their job, they're strengthening their neck. You know, so like the stronger the neck gets, the more it pulls down and away from the neck. So you can see how these neck bands are called the platysma bands, pull away from the neck. So Botox actually helps those bands to relax. And when they relax up and back towards the neck. So that gives you a lifted appearance.
So this is a before and after that we're looking at, and it's pretty dramatic.
What's the time in between those two pictures, the before and the after?
About 2 weeks.
2 weeks, okay.
Yeah, so it's really quick.
And how long does it last in the neck? Because I know sometimes when I get Botox in my forehead, a few months after it's gone. Does it last longer?
Yes, yeah, it actually lasts at least 3 to 6 months in the neck,
Okay.
sometimes even longer than that. In the face, it lasts for about 3 to 4 months.
Wow.
Okay,
Pretty cool.
Very cool.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Now let's talk about something else that you say Botox can help with, which I had never heard of, face slimming.
Yes.
How does that work?
So Botox facial slimming is when we're treating the jaw muscles. It's called the masseter. And so how that works is Botox actually shrinks that muscle and makes your face more narrow. So this is good for people that have like a wide, square-shaped jawline. It can make a huge difference in your facial shape.
That does make a huge difference.
Now, it takes a little bit for that to set in as well. 2 weeks or a little bit further?
So it can take a little bit longer because the way that this works is it makes the muscle smaller, so the muscle isn't able to contract and it atrophies the muscle. So it can take a lot longer before you really see the results, but the results last for months, sometimes even for up to a year. So it's less maintenance involved.
Now you said atrophy, which is a scary word, but this is safe,
Right.
And if people are interested in doing this, they should definitely research who they go to. Any other pieces of advice?
Yeah, always research your injector, make sure that your injector is experienced. That's really important.
Good, good. And then last but not least, we want to talk about something that is really close to my heart because I'm having major teeth problems because I grind. I always have. For 30-something years, I've been a big grinder. And you say there is something to help, or the Botox can help.
Yeah, I mean, I see people all the time who are coming in, referred by their dentist, having all kinds of problems with their teeth, their gums, their bones, pain in their neck and their jaw,
right here.
just because they're just constantly clenching and grinding their teeth. So Botox in the jaw muscles, the same muscles that we use for slimming the face, actually helps, and it does the same thing where it weakens that muscle so you're not able to really clench the jaw.
And I'm going to have you, I'm going to be really brave, have you do a little bit on me. So come on over as we showcase that it's not as scary
It's really
as
not.
it sounds.
It really is not that
as I'm
scary.
scared right now.
You've got this. Do you need to hold my hand?
No,
I got you.
I'm good, I promise.
That's okay.
But if this helps, I'll be happy because the amount of work that I have to put into my teeth is really expensive.
And as you said, you talk to your dentist. You do have an issue there.
Yes, I would always say talk to your dentist, talk to your doctor, make sure that this is something that is good for you before going ahead. I know that this is something that I need, so.
Well, for more information on Ren Dermatology, you'll just have to go to rendermatology.com. You can also follow her on Instagram. That's Deana Beauty Nurse Nashville at Beauty Nurse Nashville on Instagram. Rendermatology.com. Check it out. See what may work for you, and if you want, just call her for a consultation. If you don't know what you want, that is.
This is nothing.
You got it.
That's not bad at all, actually.
Wow.
Okay. And how long do you think till I'll see results?
Oh, it'll probably take 4 weeks before you start really seeing and feeling the relief from clenching.
Wonderful. Well, thank you so much. I'll be sure to report back, let you guys know what I think.
Yes.
See you in a minute. Okay.
Do I look any different yet? So we filmed that a little earlier because we wanted to make sure that it all went well. And it did. It didn't hurt at all. Poor Laura was so nice to offer me her hand. And I was like, no, I'm okay. I'm okay.
She's a big girl. She's a big girl.
But it was absolutely nothing. And
Yeah.
I'm hoping that in a few weeks I will stop the constant grinding and that it'll give my teeth a moment to relax.
Yeah, I personally have had it done, and I noticed something within 5 weeks. My jaw loosening, not waking up, clenching in the middle of the night. It really is amazing.
Okay, good. Well, I hope that happens. So thank you. Thanks for the moral support during that.